Welcome back. This is live trading on 7/23, 2025. Yeah, I'm just gonna narrate as I normally would for myself. Well, I can try. I'm unconcerned about it though. I think. Actually, let me look at that a little more closely. I might be concerned with it. 30 seconds to the open. This candle was like, this was an extremely high volume candle. 9:45. That was actually higher volume than 9:30. It's like 95% chance, well, 85 to 95% chance that it won't be that, but it ended up doing that. So it's pretty interesting. But all right, let's go 4 hour. My computer's really having a. I do have a new I do have a new computer. I'm gonna have to actually set it up. Asia low. That is 4 hour external range liquidity. This is external range liquidity. Yeah, it's Asia high. There's no internal range liquidity. Yeah, that's Asia high. It's just getting like immediate sell off. Okay, what is going on with my computer right now? Did I tap it? I think it's absolute. Oh my god. What the fuck? No, what the hell, asshole? Dude, I swear sometimes it's really annoying. Okay. Just checking the ATR too for my perspective. 259. Okay. It just stresses me out when my computer like doesn't work properly. Or like it's just slow. It's like I don't know, it really it it does. This volume is coming in pretty high. Pretty high. Pretty high volume. It's just high activity. So in an ERL to ERL move right now, we got London low. These are equal lows. I wouldn't say that was traded into. Do this a little more strategically this time. Yeah, that was not traded into. So it's traded into at 8:45. So I mean, if it didn't take out Asia low, I would consider that for a low risk opportunity because it's against the 4 hour. Yeah. That's where I'm at right now. I'll look at the daily. See. Daily. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. So daily fair value gap here. right? Daily fair value gap, and then you have daily external range liquidity. So like it's a bullish move, likely. It's not coming out yet bullishly, but it still is a likely bullish move. So I would say that in that case, like the daily, yeah, I would kind of a daily bullish. Um, the 1 hour is not shifted out of it yet, so it's still not like super clear on that, but I would still say that that's bullish IRL to ERO move potential. So if we're getting in terms of 4 hour, so 4 hours in a bearish movement. If I was to take a short, which I'm trying to think how that would be possible. Yeah, I'm not going to overthink that. But if I were to take a short, then I would be more aggressive in my trailing, like more aggressive lens on trailing. If I was to go long, a little more conservative lens on trailing. It's extremely high volume candles. So, yeah, I mean, really high volume. Right down here into this is equal London low, this M15 low. I mean, we're in the key level. So, like, at this point, like, I am gauging a reaction. At this moment. Where's the next 4 hour liquidity point? It's right up here. Oh, come on, man. Work with me here. Yeah. We'll see what happens here. It's a fair value gun. Yeah, I mean, it's small, but it is. It's an inverted fair value gap. Have a fair value gap. Yeah, I mean, at this point, I'll watch and see what is created here from this displacement lag. Trade it in. There's no sweep of liquidity in this level, so 4 hour, 4 hour, right? It's not. It's in a bearish movement, so it'd be low risk at this time. If I were to take a long, it would be low risk. To here. Okay, just giving it as opportunity for a change in state delivery. From that, it's a small fair value gap, but it is still a fair value gap. Let's see, like, was this candle? That was probably a pretty high volume candle, right? It was engulfed. It was a very high volume candle. Yeah, I mean, let's see if that engulfing continues. If it were to do something, I would stop loss would be that low, or these candle bodies, I guess. I'm just gonna wait. Inverted fair value gap. Inverted bullish order flow, bullish displacement. So let's just do this 205 divided by 75. Okay. Stop loss there. Copy price. Yeah, I would group that stop loss here, here. Jeez. Okay, we'll see what happens. The low risk trade though. Yeah, given it's against the 4 hour. Still be a little more conservative though with the trailing just because of the daily. And I might have bought the top, which is fine. Didn't sweep any highs. So for a failed flip, it's not quite ready on the close of that candle. But I'm probably, I mean, I have my stop loss where it's at because that's where my stop loss is at. But it's preparing itself potentially for a failed flip. Unless it, buys out. The model is presenting itself in the other direction with this breakaway gap RDRB combination. Okay, you got rid of that. no RR for me. If it is to engulf that candle, that would be a fail flip. So there's no risk reward, adequate risk reward to Asia low. Just gonna let it be. It looks like models presenting to it just presented somewhat to the downside. Still within this trade, though it's a little confusing. I'm just gonna let it be, and since I'm a little confused, I'm not gonna overcomplicate it. It might buy up from where it's at. Maybe it's unlikely, but um, just gonna let it be. But there is not risk reward to Asia low, so I'm just gonna wait. If this one gets stopped, it gets stopped. Alright, it's probably gonna get stopped. So out on that one. For yeah, kinda ass, but I mean whatever. Asia low, I mean, I don't know, like how would you have gotten the risk reward to that? I guess like this. A 1.67, I suppose. Well, it kind of pisses me off, but it's fine. It's like battle of them. We'll just see what happens. There it goes. Just remove that position for now, just for clean chart. But well, now we're in a 4-hour bullish level, and it's time-based level. So gauge the reaction to that. This is a true loss. Kind of fucking annoying. Okay. So it's 4-hour ERL. At 10, this London high would become ERL. At this point, 4-hour daily are in alignment there. We'll see if price ends up buying up. What is the overall volume on these candles? Very high again. This is looking a little bit low, but we'll see if it steps in with some clear displacement. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll see how it reacts to to this. So it's created bullish order flow, bullish displacement. No sweep of liquidity though, just want to see how price reacts to that initial. It doesn't have to trade into that fair value gap, but some sort of, just watch and see some sort of, so like if a lot of people, right, again, the model, it's like right here, like to the sell, that just took their break evens, like how does price react to that? And there's no sweep of liquidity. If this were to continue buying up, I'd take another low risk on it because now it's low risk time of day for me. So there's no sweep of highs either. So fail flip wise. I'm just gonna wait and watch this reaction. I'd be very, very bullish if that changed to stay delivery up from there. Stop loss, just be right here. I was bullish, but like I want to see one more. Just actually change the state of delivery. And then I'd get in. Okay, let's just get in there. A lot of people just did exactly what I did. I didn't enter yet. There's still no change in state delivery. Like I want to see that further confirmation. We'll see if it does it or not. What is the volume on this? It's not super low. It's not super high either. This is really low volume. People stop buying. It's not a bunch of selling coming in. We'll see it. People stop buying. After here, they stop buying. Selling is not really stepping in, but just more rather stop buying. That was interesting. Wow. I only got 4 more minutes that I'm executing, so, you know, I don't know, this is interesting. So there's no sweep of liquidity, but at this level it pushes up, then creates a bearish for value gap. This is a low risk sell opportunity. To where down here, if we were to invert that for value gap, then I would get in a sell. So Stop would be right here. Yeah. It's really moving a lot, but God damn it. Okay. I know that it's like right on the cusp there. Let's sell it. Yeah. And if this one is knocked out, then it's knocked out, but it does have everything that is required. So here, stop. We'll just put it right there. Take profit. Goes here. I mean, what? I put my stop right there. It's 1.7. That's fine. Whatever. 23,105. 23,105. Okay. 2 on a sell. So the idea, we'll see if that continues or not, but might not, may, I don't know. But just a fail flip at that level. Has everything that it needs for a fail flip, so we'll see if it goes or not. Alright, NASDAQ. It's already looking like ass, but you're a retail trader, you trade breakouts. It doesn't look very hot, to be honest. I'm just gonna let it be because I mean it gave what it gave, and my stop's where it's at for a reason. But yeah. It's like it seems like I'm off the mark today. We'll see if this goes or not. I mean, that's why my stop's up there. It's a high volume candle, but anyway, we'll see. Like it looks like the opposite. Like it literally looks like I'm like in the opposite of it. I don't know. I'm a short. Sometimes when it does this. Who knows? Maybe it'll go. We'll see. This one, like, it's either full TP or nothing. It's 1.7 R. Oh, well. We'll see what it does. But I like that candle. Let's see if it'll keep going. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. I'll put up the first trade too, just for the sake of putting it out there. So it's here, stop loss was right here. Take profit is right here. All it needs to do is just drop into here and then, but we'll see if it makes it down there. I don't know. That's interesting. What is this 1.74? Yeah, I mean, it's just a full TP or not. That really sucks. Like, it's not what I want to see. At all. Definitely not what I want to see. So, I mean, I guess yeah. I'll keep the stop loss where it's at. I don't see anywhere logical that I could trade right now or trail to. So I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. Feels like I'm selling the bottom, but you know it's fine. no more trades after this. So. That's a breakaway gap now. Yeah, I mean, it's logical. Might go. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe not. So at that point, I want to see how this continues, but I'd probably trail my stop loss to this high. Oh my. You can keep going, NASDAQ. You can do it. Wow. That's a... What are these candles, man? I'm pretty sure I'm going to trail to this high. Not pretty sure, I'm definitely going to trail to that high. Yeah. Trail to that high. Oh, lovely. Let's go. Let's go. Well, that sucks. Alright. Kinda got a fucking headache after today, to be honest. That's done. So, um, yeah, whatever. It's just what's gonna happen sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Um, Alright, well, that's it for today's.